Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 5th of June, Wednesday. And today we had a pretty good day of trading. We had 6 trades we made today for 6 points. And markets basically gapped down a little bit after some morning news. And we basically stair-stepped lower all day. Our first few trades were definitely pretty quick trades. We grabbed a long down here, wrote it up, taking profit. Long down here, took profit, and a long down here, took profit. And watch this a little bit. We did take a quick long here with quick profit, and then basically watched it chop around a little bit. The market did come down. We did grab a long here, took some quick profit on it. And then the market did trade down again. We did get long and ended up getting stopped out a little bit on here, and that gave us our 6 points for the day. So you can't win all your trades, and all you can really do is continue looking forward. We had last month was not a great month at all. Some of the weeks were negative, some of the weeks were positive, and it all played out, and at least the month ended on a positive note. That's all you can really do. And then you have other days, like the past few days, where it's just everything's working for you, and you're making money, and it's good. So, and that's one of the things I really wanted to teach with the trading room and everything, that if you can be consistent at it, that you can actually make money, and that's what it's all about. It's about being consistent. Having a passion for trading is definitely important. That's not enough to succeed, but it is definitely the first step, because especially with me, I never really had a trading mentor. I kind of learned on my own, went through trial and error, read a bunch of crap that I should have never read, listened to some people that I should have never listened to, and you learn trial and error, and that's a difficult process. It definitely is. It takes a long time, and it's difficult. And in times like that, you really do need a passion. Like if you're learning a musical instrument, or you're learning some intricacies of a certain sport, or whatever it might be, you have to have a passion for whatever you're doing, so that way you can learn. Maybe you're studying to be a doctor and you hate organic chemistry. Well, you don't have a passion for that, but you really want to be a doctor, so you have to learn that in order to be, to accomplish that task. So, anything in your life, you're going to have a passion for. And for me, trading, some days, 2.5 hours, 3 hours, it seems like it's a couple minutes. It just flies by. It goes so quick. And then other days, it is kind of a grind. And you're going to have times like that. That's, when I play guitar, I'll play for, 1, 2, 3 hours, and it seems like it's a matter of minutes. You know, Sports. When I played football in school, it would seem like that. Practices were long, but it seemed like the games were so short. And that's really, what passion is. You love something so much that it's just fun all the time, every time you do it. You know, so that's really what I wanted to convey. Is a love of trading, and I definitely keep a level head, and that's one thing that's definitely you have to have in trading. You make a trade, and then you make another trade, and then you make another trade, and then you make another trade, and you want to span those out. You don't want to do them all inside of a 5-minute period. That would be crazy, I think. You know, but you're only as good as your last trade, so you have to make your last trade and then make another trade, rather than make your last trade and then make a trade based upon it, if you know what I'm saying. So, and that's one of the things that I try to teach in my coaching program, and I have a lot of fun with that. I think it's just as interesting to see someone else's perspective as it is to teach them what I'm teaching them. Because really you can talk about stuff as much as you want. It doesn't matter unless the other person you're talking to is receptive to that. It's not really going to make one difference whatsoever. And that's one of the things I've had so much fun with in the coaching is all of the students, the clients are really interested. They really want to learn. They have open minds, and it is really really awesome. A couple people obviously are going to be closed-minded no matter what. It's not going to matter. And then certain people aren't going to. They're just not going to work with the style of trading that I do. But I've taught people how to trade in different markets. Your forex, your equities, and futures. I was teaching people how to trade before I started the website. But when I started the website, I was really heavily focused on futures, and I was, definitely doing that as far as a day trading instrument. I just love the ES. The S&P is just, I think, is a really really fun market, and it's something that I've been trading for a very long time. So I definitely do have a lot of fun with that. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off so I don't make too long of a video. So that way people will listen to it. But anyway, hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about. You can definitely leave questions, comments, suggestions, whatever underneath the video if you want. Or you can email me directly, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. I read all the emails. I don't have secretaries or whatever reading the emails. So I'm the one answering all of them. So it might take a little bit to get to it, but I usually do have a 24-hour turnaround on emails. So if you do email me something, you don't hear something in a day, email me back, because perhaps it's in the spam folder or something. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.